best friends and cousins too. Colored pencils, paper and glue. It's crafty and fun time, creating with you. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe.
Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, my mom put these beautiful houses together for me and my little cousin Lily. Alrighty, how does it sound to make a candy house today, Lily?
Awesome.
So let's do this. I am using dots. What are you using, Lily?
Sour streamers.
Awesome. This is how I'm going to put my dots on. I'm going to stick the toothpick inside of here. And also, you might want to cut the toothpick in half, just so that way it won't be too long. You could also add in some hot glue, but you're going to need supervision for that. Alright, and there, this is how Lily's going to put hers on. By the way, while I'm putting this on, just like this. Alrighty, by the way, I just want to say something, guys. A lot of people are making gingerbread houses and stuff, but I really think that candy houses are much better. Gingerbread houses, you have all that crummy, sticky icing that makes it fall down all the time. But with a candy house, all you need to do is put it together, then you can decorate with candies. We're gonna do our house and we'll get right back to you guys. All the candy we used is in this video. There will also be a list of the candy in the description below. Hey Crafty Crafters! Did you know that this is my third house? And this is Lily's first house. I am so glad you can be a part of this experience.
To the end, the end.
Oh yeah, that's much easier.
Much easier. You don't have to hurt your fingers.
Yeah, my fingers are hurting.
Look at my house. It has rainbow on it. I'm gonna try the sour streamers.
Is it good?
Yes.
Hey guys, look at my roof.
Wow, it looks so rainbowy, even though we did have blue and purple. I'm gonna try one of the dots. Tasty. Welcome back. Look at our beautiful roofs. Look at them.
Yeah. Look at mine.
It's amazing. I love them.
They're full of color.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So I'm going to be putting some sour streamers on the side of my house. Sour streamers, just like the ones that Lily has on her roof. What are you going to be putting on your roof, Lily?
Twizzlers.
Yeah, Twizzlers. Are those strawberry blast Twizzlers?
Yeah.
Awesome. It's really beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna finish the sides, guys. Bye. If you are building your house, here's some advice I can give from my own personal experience. Number 1, don't get frustrated because some candy may not work. Just switch it out for different candy. One brand of candy I used did not work at all while I was decorating, so you have to play around with different candies. Number 2, take your time. You don't have to rush it. I am still adding things to my house months later. You can find inspiration at any time. Number 3, be creative with the candy that you used. I was very creative with different types of candy. Lily and I got really creative with our build that we will show you in later videos. And number 4, just relax and have fun with it. Enjoy building with your loved ones, and maybe you too can start your own family tradition. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to stay tuned for part 3, where I finish the back and the front of my house. Thanks for watching.